lot. Happy Valentine's Day!
Wow. I can't believe that after 2 months of dating, you don't already know this. I hate Valentine's Day.
Why?
Because of capitalism and consumerism, and it's just so wasteful doing all this for just one day out of the year just to prove to someone that you love them. Ugh. Stupid. I can't believe this shit. Ugh. Why did you put this stuff so high? Oh my god. I can't reach it.
Well, do you want help or something?
Obviously. All this when you already know that I hate capitalism and that there's no ethical consumption under capitalism and that all this shit's gonna go to waste, all this shit's gonna end up in landfills and it's gonna end up in the oceans at the end of the day, and then the turtles are gonna choke on them, and then all of this shit's just gonna go all to waste. All this helium, we have a helium shortage. Did you not know that? We can't be blowing up balloons like this. What the and then all this wasteful material, there's latex, there's all this stuff, just everything. Why don't you know me? How do you not know me? I thought you knew me. We've been dating for almost 2 months. I literally cannot believe it. Like, I've complained about this so many times to you. I can't believe that you would ever even think that I would enjoy something like this. This is so wasteful. What are we gonna do with all this at the end? Just throw it away, right? Yeah, and that's not okay. We need to help. We need to help with our waste production and stuff. We need to lower the amount of shit that we use. This is just so wasteful. I can't believe you would even think I would like something like this.
But, okay. But you like animals, so I did good on the bear, yeah?
Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. It's so soft. It's so cute.
like this romantic stuff. It's Valentine's Day, all of the normal girls. I see that you're not quite like that, but
well, you could have just started with that and saved all your money. Well, you could have just started with